Poetry is like coffee. It keeps me awake. Angivile ngiphize ngibamukele ke mbukeli wehlelo lakho lelithandzako Tandla nenkondlo libito lami Fortunate Ngwakamabuza. Namhla ke ngila eSwazi National High School afukela bathe thina sindawo bosonkondlo batasinawo bahayi babone mani ukuthi hayibo laba bebasolo bakuphi bathuleleni bangati veti ngani. Utalivela ke mbukeli ukuthi bosonkondlo bala ekhaya benta kanjani. Bathe ke bona cha thina we love poetry and we make sure ukuthi nasivele embiwe bamvu senda le poetry lo tawuthi na uhlete ekhaya uthi ha bebasolo bakuphi bathuleleni tivele ke mbukeli sitaqala ngaye Mercury the poet umuve ukuthi usihayela kanjani futhi yini lena le motivator each and every day ukuthi ende yona ipoetry.
Kunetinto empilweni letibalekile lekungakamele siye kutindanzela ngoba tibalekile njengemfundo lesinye isikhiya lesivula iminyongo levalekile ake sifunze ukutimisela mhlawumbe nelikati lesela khilinza uTikolo ngayisela laphakathi kweni kunabothishela bonjineli bameli nabodokotela labanye siyathi batimisela ngiphumelele amakhono abo asiphikile yaphumelelisa emphumeleleni liyafinyelelisa
labatiko bathi imfundo kayikhulelwa kwase kuba simanga kubona abafundi bakhulelwa umdali sase siyakhuleka ukuthi makehlise izinga lebafundi labakhulelwako anyuse labaphumelelako ngoba emathemba ayawukela kepha masingasebena ukutimisela singaphumelela uma ufuna ukuphumelela thishela makafundisa kubani yiba la embeleni vukela mfundi esikolweni labakubalekela ke esikolweni impilo kuba isiko mnanzi iluhlaba ibaba njengenhlaba ubabona ngikulala emaphayipini angithi bona abajakela esigwarini emaphathini impilo yabashiya ehlathini Ngondvena bakaKhaliphi lesibuta kona ukuthi bona likusasa bebakhaliphi ekseni bona babhule ematolo bajaketa itolo bayosicela bombondo babalekela imiya lesesikoleni yathatha esemgwaqweni ingaki impilo yabiseweni eceleni kwasekufeni emantombazana bofakazi anje esikoleni basifundisa ukuthini isentimeter ngekomgwaco basifundisa ukuthi mawufuna isentimeter kahle yala kubalwa nalabafa usaphila wena usengenda kangcono wena vuka utibuthe vuka uchakaze mfundzi usemusha wena yala kusha nebusha.
The burden of Elena. I curse under breath as the sword of daybreak sniffs the shroud of the night from the sky. Another day begins, another slow crawl. These four walls power my prison, the same old lesson, shouted and dull, drawn on and on and on. Father God, please take away this yoke from me. This small number isn't a measurement of knowledge. It's a weapon that burns me, leaving me to feel like I'm nothing more than a failure. The test score isn't a grade. It's a sentence of shame, down to the dungeons. This lecture style, a faded, tired who? What is the purpose if you can't learn anew?
He loves, alone, a lonely sound, while sitting in rows, silent, confused and numb, just there at the clock, a sense of passive faces, from bell to bell, a one-way street of thoughts, a vessel of knowledge, never truly cold. Students gather at their notice boards. Their whispers a cruel chorus drowned by my score of shame. Each sneer and mocking laugh is a piercing double-edged dagger to my self-worth, a brutal testament to my supposed idiocy. The paper isn't just a test, it's a verdict, a public declaration that my mind is broken. Slowly, the confidence of childhood returns, taking its place at the helm, rejuvenating me, all thanks to the competency-based education, a field where no one is left behind and every learner is free to unfold according to their truest, most natural abilities.
You may see me struggling, but I won't fall. I may knock off, but never out. Every time I say life is good, but truly it's not. I won't show my fears and I won't let my tears roll. Instead, I will wear the biggest smile even if I'm down. Life is nothing but a race, each step leading to a chosen fate. Perhaps mine is paved with sorrow, but I will race until I reach the finish line. No, A strong man knows how to manage his life in line. He managed to say I'm fine even if you see tears in his eyes. Life is nothing but a journey. Each step is leading to what you have chosen while still living. Be your own milk and honey in a world of smoke and ashes. This life, what a game, where so many chances slip away. But yet as long as I live, I will stand on.
No more the shameful grade, the letter or the score, but what we build, a bridge from shore to shore. The painter's brush, the coder's crafted line, the fledgling doctor's touch, a perfect sign. From classroom wall, the world now is our stage. We write our features on different page. The carpenter's hand, so callous and so strong. The vibrant poem's verse, a heartfelt song. No longer slave to the memory of a name, but masters of the craft, playing the game.
Angindele babukele emakhaya lo lokhu uma umboniso ama-setboard sibonga isiwabuya nenentsawe futhi eSwazini National High School futhi from 4C.
Impilo yimpi longayadi ngena ngathathu uthi awuphele laphi. Kuthe sekwenteke konke emehlweni emdali savela sonke nelithandwa lwakhe lwaselisenela sonke ingakho ngithi give thanks to the Lord, proclaim his name, make known among nations for what he has done. Glory is in the holy name. Let those who fear the Lord rejoice, because even today God is still the best doctor. Prayer is still the best medicine. A doctor can save your life, a lawyer can defend your life, a soldier can protect your life, but only God can give an everlasting life. A toothbrush can clean your teeth, a soap can clean your body, but only the Bible can clean your soul. It's Mercury the poet. Thank you.
Kunebantu lengibabukako noma emamodeli nje bantu lengibabuka isikhathi lesiningi kuze ngiqhubeke ngibhalele amandla yetamti emapoem la nje binabo amandla bomavala bobhuti Mncedi bantu abangathi basembili nathi.
The 2000 generation, the generation of lust and fastings. Laba bafukanyele bomnyama liningi labo seliyacocela ngekukhanya kwelanga. Bafana bakhulu banetifiso tekuba migcine imithetho kepha lamhla tephula imithetho tigila mkhuba emanfombatane lamanye sekahungeka lamanye atvungeka.
That was Mercury the poet ngithi bambukela ukuthi uthvile enkondlo takhe weva ukuthi you know what laka poetry kuyaphilwa man nangabe nje wena solunenivalo mina ngubuka ngalenye indlela ngiyathi ukuthi uhleti uthembeni. Anyways ukhona ke naye Dladla the poet utomuva ukuthi Dladla yena uyishaya kanjani usho ngani futhi kutheni uDladla the poet ngoba ngicela ngayibuka emva kanti mina eDladla vele usho ukuthi divide kaDladla the poet divele kembukele kuye Dladla the poet ukuthi ufika kanjani la ka poetry.
Uma ukhuleka nasempilweni nakamoya utokhuleka kodwa uma ungakhuleki utokhulelwa dokhulelwa titsa tinkinga netinkinga kodwa khuleka ngoba mina ngitakukhulekela ukuze ukhuleke ke angeke ngikubukelele ke akodwa somandla mnini mandla wonke unemandla lasanele sonke uma singasuka kuwe singashonaphi angithi wena ngumdali umdali welizulu nemhlaba somandla mnini mandla wonke silahlekile sisehlanye woda sesiyacela ke manje woda sihlenga usikhiphe ehlanye mina ngilahlekile mina ngidukile labanye bathi angilahle lithawula ngenkolo uma ngalahla lithawula ngitwa bese ngigeza ngani cha ngisho tono tami sonke stone nawe kude lo ngcono kude sono lesincane kude sono lesikhulu tonke tono tiyafana phambi kwemdali kepha somandla sihlande usihlambulule toneni lesitatiko nalesingatati tono tethu nitebatali njengalokhu ke lenkondlo seyifikile etindlebeni kusho ukuthi seyifikile nasemaphethelweni ngiliphilisi lelingatholakala ekhemisi.
Sanibonani babukeli emakhaya igama lami ngingoyenkosi ngwakaDladla Sibongo ngifundza eSwazini National High School form 4B ngihlala lapha e10 basekhaya kuseMangayana. Kuqala kwami kwenta tinkondlo ngicale last year mid-term but mid-third term kuqala kwami nje bengihlele endlini ngibukela TV bekungelinye lihlelo belidlala eSABC1 bathi nguSigidla Va maye mangibhizi ngibukela lapha ngive amagama ayeta ngakamerate ngathatha exercise ngathi mangibhala ngabona ukuthi hayi ngathi kuyahlangana ngakusasa ngathi mangidala esikoleni ngeta nalo leli book kwakuyimemo book incane ngapha ngangena la ka-3G bengifundza ngala athi mangifika ngakhanza umbonisi Mercury ngamtshela ngathi kusati kunenivole nje wayifunza wase ukuthi ngakusasa nge-weekend kwakusonzela i-Father's Day wasuthi ucela isemane sesonveni lakhe siyo-performa khona kwakucala kwami lapho.
Mfanami vuka sekuseni mfanami vuka sekuseni ngona ngiyathi kuthongo bakho busengakapheli kodwa khona lapho lengifuna ukukuthuma khona uthungele khona ngifuna ungele esikolweni thathana sisikhwama uhlomena dikhali kona tesinza mfanami kepha bengicela ungakhali ndoda thatha isikhali usho nempilo mayikhala ekhaya mfanami mi thatha ngunika na inhlonipho angifisi nangalinye lemalanga ngibide esikoleni kuthiwe wena seyude inhlonipho lalela mfanami lana kusesikolweni showcase kunetikhokho nemabhoza khona lehlala ngemuva kulawa amakhona wena mfanami bengicela ungalandzeli bona Stella sabo ungashiyeki ngaso ngoba naseklasini dotkanza soshiyekile lana kusesikolweni ke lana kunomuntu lothiwa ngithishela uDamkhanza afundzisa wena buka lalela sengiyakucela mlaleli umnika inhlonipho umthobele njengalokhu ke lenkondlo seyifikile etindlebeni kusho ukuthi seyifikile nasemaphethelweni Mdladla the poet lobhalile
Tinkondlo tami ngitibhala ngelanguage lumlala ikhaya Siswati ke nesingisi ngihle ngibhala naso but ngisengakagcini kiso lesingisi ngisebenzisana naye ngithishela wala sikolweni Mr Mathen na Mr Gnene Mr Gnene kufana ukuthi sengimanager wethu nyalo sisebenza nje si5 nalabanye ke sisebenza kanye angeke ngisebente ngedwa because leli inaw ikhona kumele sisebenze sonke kanye no ngiyatibona ngichubeka ngato futhi ngiphumelela nasempilweni ngato natinkondlo empilweni uma sengiphumile after high school.
That was Dladla the poet. Ngeze babuka ukuthi wena uthi enjoyile inkondlo takho weva man ukuthi no heart I love poetry. Sitawushiya connect itona nasibuya sichubeka nalohlelo kanye nabo bafunzi bala eSwazi National High. Kwakho nje ukuthi uhlale phansi ungathi nyaka. Bukela ihlelo Dladla nenkondlo salubukele lona ihlelo lakho lolithanza wona lihamba embili eSwatini TV naseven lonke nje Dladla nenkondlo soloke sila eSwazi National High bathi bafunzi bakhona cha sine sidawela sicitha ukuthi asaleli ngephandle ngathi mina hayibo bathi nami nguye nje sonkondlo angivele phela ukhona ke Magamonke the poet utamuva ukuthi uyishaya kanjani futhi ke uyasho ukuthi yathi kuthini nakacetha nje ukubhala form 5 ngoba yena soka form 5 nyalo ukhona la wena manje ophumela ngephandle athi hayi inkondlo afundzise nabamfana akho lohlala uthi wena hayi man sisi wami umfana ushaye naseyahlola Magamonke angeke aze abe shy.
The burden of Elena. I curse under breath as the sword of daybreak sniffs the shroud of the night from the sky. Another day begins, another slow crawl. These four walls power my prison, the same old lesson, shouted and dull, drawn on and on and on. Father God, please take away this yoke from me. This small number isn't a measurement of knowledge. It's a weapon that burns me, leaving me to feel like I'm nothing more than a failure. The test score isn't a grade. It's a sentence of shame, down to the dungeons. This lecture style, a faded, tired who? What is the purpose if you can learn anew?
Libito lami nginguzwelakhe Brian Dlamini. Labanengi bangathi ngela Magamonke the comedian. Ngenda tinkondlo, ngiya-actor, futhi ngumuntu okwatiko nekuhlabela. Ngingasho ukuthi multi talented. Ngifundza eSwazi National High School form 5. Ngihlala eKwaluseni kodwa ekhaya kuseMankayane eNgwamsana. Kucala kwami tinkondlo ngangingasuye umuntu lebeka titsanza kudenda. Until ngi-approachwe ngilomnye thishela wala sikolweni abona ngazuthi ivoice yami ngiyakhona kuyiproject asho ukuthi ngingakhona ukukhuluma. Waba ngumuntu longibhalela ko script ngasifunza ngacala lapho nje kude lengathi ngabukela kuye lo setulo or kanjani. Kuchubeka kwami nekwenta inkondlo ngacutshekiswa kubona ukuthi likhono lekwenta inkondlo likhona. Plus futhi nginayo nale patience yekwenta lento. Kwaphinze kwashintsha kwaguquka kwaba into lengisengiyithanda. Ekhaya ngiyadibhala nangikhona khona. Nedileto lengidibhala nangisekhaya de motivation yempilo. La sikolweni lengitenda ukukhanza ukuthi ibhalwe ngona lo thishela lo sendisa ipoem. Bo love poem ngide. Ngenda leti ibhekene nje nempilo nekucwayisa abantu labasha kulamalanga lesiphila kuwo.
You may see me struggling, but I won't fall. I may knock off, but never out. Every time I say life is good, but truly it's not. I won't show my fears and I won't let my tears roll. Instead, I will wear the biggest smile even if I'm down. Life is nothing but a race, each step leading to a chosen fate. Perhaps mine is paved with sorrow, but I will race until I reach the finish line. No, a strong man knows how to manage his life in line. He manages to say I'm fine even if you see tears in his eyes. Life is nothing but a journey. Each step is leading to what you have chosen while still living. Be your own milk and honey in a world of smoke and ashes. This life, what a game, where so many chances slip away. But yet as long as I live, I will stand on.
Ema-tips kokuqala nje ukuze uperformele abantu into lephilako nawe lo tayijabulela kumele uyithanze into leyendawo. Phindze uyi-understand. Ngekusho njalo ngisho ukuthi loyo muntu lo sonkondlo lomncane naye lo sekumembe kwabantu angakwenda nangaba patient atitshele. Nangiphuma lapha esikolweni sifiso sami bekuchubeka nato tinkondlo. Njengoba ngibonile ukuthi cishe lelikhono la kwenda letinkondlo likhona futhi into nami lengiyithandzako. Nginaso sifiso sekuchubeka futhi ngalelinye ilanga lokusho tinkondlo kuyakhe isense kimi.
So vila ukuthi magama onke ucukethe wona emagama onke sinayeke sakhe the poet uTamova Sakhe, the only female namuhla la hlelweni lothi ke you know how they love poetry futhi ngifisela ukuthi ngibone nalamanye emamfambatana ala esikoleni ayingenela yona ipoetry. Divela ke mpukelo ukuthi uthini yena ngetinkondlo ufike kanjani velela ka poetry ufisile indvele ukuchubeka nato tinkondlo. Oh, it's just a hobby. Kwanyalo asesela eSwazi National High School.
Sanibonani babukele emakhaya, ligama lami ngoSakhelwe ngokaShongwe. Ngihlala lapha kaLogoba ngasenkundleni nje eNzevane. Ngifundza la eSwazi National High School. I'm currently doing form 4F. Ngimangala lokukhulu tinkondlo ngiqale this year. Nakhona ngibitwa nje Mr. Ali Mathenjwa wala sikoleni ka English department. Angibitwa nje as a girl, there's something lengibona kuwe, and I was like how teacher ngoba mina ngikwathi nje kujive la kuphela angizange sengibe nale interest nje tinkondlweni aba like sisi I'm telling you ukuthi there's something lengibona kuwe. I'm like okay, let me give it a chance yabo cause yeah naku lesengikhona khona naku who is who lebesinako nje la sikolweni ngibuyile ne certificate sayo ipoetry sihambe siyokhompyutha siwine sibuye nabo number 1 bongimi nje wonke loyo.
He loves, alone, a lonely sound, while sitting in rows, silent, confused and numb, just there at the clock, a sense of passive faces, from bell to bell, a one-way street of thoughts, a vessel of knowledge, never truly caught. Students gather at their notice boards. Their whispers a cruel chorus, drowned by my score of shame. Its sneer and mocking love is a piercing double-edged dagger to my self-worth. A brutal testament to my supposed idiocy. The paper isn't just a test, it's a verdict, a public declaration that my mind is broken. Slowly, the confidence of childhood returns, taking its place at the helm, rejuvenating me, all thanks to the competency-based education, a field where no one is left behind and every learner is free to unfold according to their truest, most natural abilities.
Ngisagcine kenda la sikolweni njengoba ngisengabhana lokubhala emapoem mhlawumbe ngidahamba ngigcine ngibhala nje lona lama poem. Ngingake ngaya ku-assembly yeah tikhathi nje letiningi siye nekuyokhompyutha ngaya nje ku Teachers Day ba discussa ngema CBE njani so saya kuyo performa ipoetry nakhona embe kwabo PS nabo bonke lalabakhulu. Akusithi kusaba cause whatever level ngiyovele leta kufikisa lelo ufuna kufika khona so livete talent lakho noko ke ungalekhishi at ifundweni, you have to balance it. Ngiloko nje lengingakusho ukuthi let's go and shine like this. Ngiva ngazuthi sense ngiqalile ka poetry ngingakhona ukufocusa nje itimvo nje letintekako generally la mhlabeni, timo lesihlangabetana nato as maybe young people kanjalo nje. Ngicela ulisebenzise italent lakho on a serious note. Ngathi nganje mina ukuthi lokhu ngihleti laphi lana kusasa kudabe ngikuphi.
That was Saki the Poet ukuthi bawuthi ucicutele nawe as a female waba motivated washo nje athi you know what ngifuna kwakhombini for the next week ku assembly esikolweni. Sinaye ke Amahle the Poet imuve kembukeke ukuthi Amahle the Poet sesivala nje utanani futhi uthi tinkondlo timcwangani. Should you join poetry because of Amahle or you to say that no akuphilwa la. Anyways get to go to Laga Poetry kuyafila tivele ke kuye Amahle the Poet.
For poetry became my literature, literature became my expression of my troubles of this world, thus making me acknowledge that I am indeed learned in the art of poetry. Ngalo-ke ngithi DM Tanomuntu. Ngisacela ungiphe ithuba ngiyichaze. Mina ngilembongi emangaliso for others called me the magic poet. Kodwa mina-ke I've learned to find the magic in my wordplay and most called me a player. Mina-ke ngiyipoet amahle kulaba ngathi bayoze bangathi nami inethe elithuba sengeke ngibadi. Ngoba thina-ke sesaphendvuka boNkulunkulu nasekuhlangene ipheni nephepha. Sibhala ngemavesi ilivangeli leliya enhlitweni babukeli balaleli bajike basifiselele okuhle empilweni siphumelele-ke ngefiso tabo ngoba-ke thina-ke sesababonza bamlonyeni nasemhlanganweni. Thine-ke labangathi ukuthi sisibekele bathathe ama-chance batshela ukuthi uNkulunkulu wethu akanamsebenzi abathi ukuthi thine-ke singile ndalo enhle kaMdali God's perfect creations kanti-ke nale nkondlo ebesiyala ukuthi nganze ngemagama kepha kwathi angazise ukuthi cha ngipoet Amahle lo wabhala lo khuluma-ko ngisimhlelelwe Amahle Kinenza lo watiwa-ke ngeligama likapoet Amahle ngingafo mfo eSwazini National ngihlala kaHlobile emva kweThompson Station. Okay, ekukhuleni kwami ngibe ne-inspiration specifically from a poet called Zamo Cofi was a South Africa. And then kuthola kwami ukuthi nami ngiyakhona kubhala was something else last year. Wafika Swazihood bafika bafuna i-talent search acting and then my presentation had a poem inside, so they decided to put the poem more than the acting, and then that's how I became a poet. Isikhiya sami singiyo le mfundvo yami. Mangalahla sona sengiyavula ngani sengisho iminyango yempumelelo yami. Ngoba kade kwasa bengikhohlisa. Bathi-ke le mfundvo ayisenamsebenzi, imali ayisekho emsebenzini kanti le mfundvo yami ayisenamsebenzi nanayo. Bayabuta bangaphi labahlele emakhaya bafundzisisa ngathi mina-ke angiphiki le nkondlo tiyaphilisa ebusweni-ke tiyahlekisa buka-ke kulombene bongwaca nabonkhamisa waphuma leli philisi elingatholakali nasekhemisi ngalo mafisha ngithi-ke le nkondlo tiyaphilisa ngoba lathi enkondlweni thine-ke basithethe kancane basitshela ukuthi kahle kahle silingisa bomavara nasizama lokubhala kanti kahle kahle thine lo mbhalo sinika lamandla ngiko lolo sikhokha lakhe intweni letimbi kanti-ke nale nkondlo ibe siyala ukuthi nganze ngemagama kepha kwathi angazise ukuthi cha ngipoet Amahle lo wabhala. Okay, I try to mix because akhona ama-poems ami la coca indzaba, akhona futhi ama-poems ami la khutako, khona la takhalisa la ngakuthulisa, khona la ngakuthututa like ngoningi ngiyazama lo ukuthi ngizame ukuthi yonke into lengiyendako ibe nalo mlayito la kiyo kodwa. So ekuhambeni kwami kwa-poetry ngitholile support kubothishela specifically Mr. Mathenjwa na Mr. Kunene. Ngawuthola among my colleagues bo Dlada the Poet, Mercury the Poet and others. And then my family was another factor nayo because ababa ngane ukuthi i-poetry tactics esikoleni nani they were supportive of every stage. I try ukuthi most of my time ngis-investa into schoolwork more than the poetry. I-poetry kuyefika nje lawo magama lambadlwana ngibhale then nangabe ukuthi khona ndawo performa khona kanze ukuthi-ke sengiyabamba le ngubambako but after that it's back to school. Labanye bantwana nabathandaza bathi baba wethu wasezulwini owami umthandazo uthi inkosi ngigcinele ubaba sewangishiya ngoba-ke la emhlabeni-ke sekwaba kusemdlalweni ngilona kusekhomba loya akasekho losephutheni sengiloya losethuneni ngoba yena angasenammeli ngoba lana-ke sisemhlabeni sengiyabona ukuthi bebathini nabathi-ke bantu siphila nabo kodwa siphili ngabo ngoba lana-ke labonisa ngayefu lesasala nabo bayinta kakhulu ngethu labatendako nabo ngoba lana-ke ngulaba nakuphela i-weekend-ke sebayahamba baya etshwaleni mina ngikhule ngathi ukuthi itshwala is not for persons under the age of 18 kodwa laba sokhanza kuphela ema-18 acedwe ngumphalo under the age of 13 kube kuthiwe not for persons under the age of 18 ngoba laba abanyalo sebakhonta imali laba-ke sebacoma imali baphilela imali bakhohlwa ngumdali bafuna abodali bathi abamfundi abachuba udlamini bafuna abama-GTI ngako sobakhanza sebanayini ama-STI emtholampilo ngawo-ke ngithi-ke labanye bantwana nabathandaza bathi baba wethu wasezulwini owami umthandazo uthi inkosi ngigcinele ubaba sewangishiya ngazi nale nkondlo ibe siyala ukuthi nganze ngemagama kepha kwathi angazise ukuthi ngipoet Amahle lo wabhala. In my way ngibona ukuthi info le ngiyendile ukuthi ngibe straightforward in everything. From everything bakwati ukuthi okay nangabe ngiyoshootha nabo bani kuphi kanjani, everything kube accounted for. And then nasesikolweni I try to give my whole focus. Bangatutsi you give too much time to the poetry, so that's how I try to balance up things. Nalenga kusho ukuthi mside ngendlela ongamsita ngato. Nangabe kungukuthi udinga financial support umkhase la kuqaleni. Umbone ukuthi kahle kahle lelikhono lanalo usalifunisela noma info laphiwe yona vele. Mawunguthi info laphiwe yona umnikethe tonke lamathuluzi langawasebenzisa ukuze achubeke nalento lafuna kuyenza. Ungamceki lapho ehlela khona futhi umbonge nalapho aphakama khona. Atokhona kuba naleligcozi lichubeka nalo la kwendako. Mina lengakusho ukuthi naso sitholile siphiwo sakho empilweni, chubeka naso sibambe ungasiyekeli. Akusithi sonke lesiyophumelela ngesikolo kodwa ke nawe ikhono lakho nesikolo wende kuhambisane futhi ungakushiyanisi ngoba konke kumcoko.
Ukela ihlelo tendlela ngikhondla kuloko ke bese kuphathele kona kuleli hlelo namuhla bese la eSwazi National High School. Nawe nje nawe ngumfundisi wakulesinye isikole uyadiva ukuthi ublind ngala ka poetry noma ke unemphalo hlala naye lonalo lelikhona lokuba ngisonkondlo noma unalo likhona likwendawo nemaqhazi uyakwati nekolosha nemacici kubutwa kuye. Wena mvethe ete la ekhaya tendlela ngikhondla sitokhona ukuthi simvete naye ative manje kusiyathi kuthini manje ngendawo ingiyo atokhona ukuthi nalabanye emasadi am support. Sitabona naye mbukeli evikini lelitawo ngasikhathi esifanako. Goodbye and God bless.